Segment number 4, Teddy, off the mic. Johnny Football back in the news. I want to read a quick quote to you there. I want to thank Coach Sherman, my teammates, and the CFL fans. My time there reestablished my love for the game of football and the work that goes into it. I look forward to exploring new options within the United States. Now, if it's the AAF, if it's the XFL, outside of getting a headline by signing Johnny Football, you don't really get too much on the field. Not greatness for Johnny Manziel since leaving college here, Teddy. And look, we've met him all personally right at the IFBC. Johnny Football going back to the States. Are we excited, Teddy?
I'm excited. Look, I like the guy. You know, we met him at the SBR conference. I hung out with him. I took some pictures with him. We had a chat that was like a chat between two grown men, not about, just about life and things and all that. But the thing that stood out to me, we hung out with Johnny Manziel. He bummed a smoke from me. All right. I'm allowed to smoke. I'm 50-something years old. I do a crazy, stressful profession, all of that kind of stuff. Johnny Football is not allowed to smoke. And when he's bumming smokes off me, it says one thing only. Yeah, I'm great at football, but no, I'm not that serious about it. And the issues up in Canada, and everything's hush-hush. We don't know what happened with Montreal. I know they did 56 things, the stipulations of what he had to do to play in the league, and it could have been something very small. But the fact that the CFL banned him, it's a little bit of a red flag. All that being said, AAF, XFL, you better believe I signed this guy. I signed him in the New York Minute, put him in a franchise in Texas. They'll sell out. That's how big Johnny Football still is in the Lone Star State.